Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to make the best Caesar salad using kale. Because you're receiving your kale directly from the Small Acres farm, it may vary in appearance and texture from what you would find at a grocery store. You will likely recognize this green curly kale, but during the year you will see a diversity of shapes and colors of kale in your CSA box. Small baby leaves can be enjoyed raw with very little preparation. It is tender and bruises easily. Kale toughens as the seasons progress. This is when we start to add kale to soups, lasagna, or quick sautés. Throughout the year, kale also makes for a great exclamation in polite company. Kid cleaned their room? Kale yeah, kid. Yahoo row? Kale yeah. You ready to make a salad? Oh, kale yeah. If my kale is big and rough, that is when I will massage it with a little oil and salt prior to constructing my salad. Baby greens require very little prep. Simply wash and strip the stems like this. These can be reserved for stock, fed to animals, or composted. For the big greens, we will do the same, removing the stems and ripping the leaves like so. Black kale offers smooth texture and makes beautiful shredded salads. Again, we strip, but this time we will stack, roll, and slice. Oh, kale yeah. For the kale Caesar, you have the option of doing straight kale or a 50-50 split with romaine for more of the classic crunch. Here we have our prepped salads. Now into the blender, garlic, 2 cloves if it's pungent, 4 if you are working with storage garlic, lemon juice, about a tablespoon, half cup of mayo, 1 tablespoon stoned ground mustard, salt, and pepper. And now for the weird thing that makes it a Caesar salad, anchovies. This is an ingredient that you will need to adjust based on your personal taste. I like it salty, so in go whole fishies. If you want to avoid fish, you can get a similar umami flavor by adding nori and a teaspoon of miso paste. Finished dressing will be creamy like so. To assemble, toss greens with dressing, erring on the side of light. Fresh Parmesan, radishes, and a lemon wedge. Oh, so pretty! Thank you for watching and for being a part of our community. It brings us great joy to see all the wonderful things you are making with seasonal produce. You can make our day by sharing a picture of your food with us on Instagram under the hashtag TastyAcres.